Section 88, it is about an act is not an offense if it is not intended or known to be likely to cause a death which causes any harm to a person for whose benefit is done in a good faith with his express or implied consent to suffer it. This section protects the surgeon or the surgical operations as also reasonable acts of the teacher. Means those acts which can likely to cause the harm to the person but which are done for the benefit of the other person or done in a good faith will be not considered as an offense. Person who are not qualified as a medical practitioner means quacks and are not protected by this section as they cannot be said to act in a good faith which is a requisite of the section 88. Means section 88 protects only those person who have done the act in a good faith and for the benefit of the other person. But those person who are not qualified as a medical practitioners or those who are quacks, they are not protected under this section. They will be held liable. Section 89, it is about the children below the 12 years of age and the person of the unsound mind and hence do not have the legal capacity to give the consent as they are incapable of understanding the nature and consequence of their act. Means the child who is below the 12 years of the age and the person of the unsound mind cannot be held liable because they don't have the legal capacity to give consent and they are not capable of understanding the nature and consequence of that act. Hence, the consent on their behalf is given by the guardians or the person who are legally in charge of them. The doer must act in a good faith and for the benefit of the person harmed. Section 89. Next exception is the Trifling Act. It is in section 95. Section 95, de minimis non curat lex means the law does not account of trifles means immaterial matters into account. Means those matters who are not important that will be not handled or that will be not entertained by the law or by the court. That is the de minimis non curat lex. Trifling acts means which are not of serious nature or which are not that much important. Trifling acts.